Let me show you how to make this fancy and super easy prawn cracker recipe. तुम जरा खुद देखो कितना गो में लग रहा है. I don't think तुम्हें इससे बढ़िया prawn की रेसिपी इस festive season मिलने वाली है. So save it right now. Rice paper will give you perfect crunch, prawns are soft, and with salad and chipotle mayo, it will give you perfect subtle spice. It's a full pack, easy peasy starter recipe. Full details are in caption. Check out other festive recipes on my page and follow me for more easy but wow recipes. Okay, bye.